Hello friends, today in this video I'll be sharing to you about tips and tricks how to keep your betta fish stay healthy despite having a disorder like this, having swim bladder disease like this. This is one of my betta fish that I adopted around 1.5 years ago. I found him with this condition, so I decided to adopt him. I have used these methods since I adopted him, and you can see he has survived with this condition for almost 2 years maybe, and now he is in a very good condition, in a healthy condition. So I'll be sharing to you about tips and tricks how I keep this betta fish stay healthy despite having this disorder. The first one is you need to give them live foods. Avoid any kind of floating foods. Remember that. Avoid any kind of floating foods because it will worsen the condition. Okay. So for live foods you can give them like tubifax worms, mosquito larvae, and many more, because live foods has a lot of micronutrients, and a lot of nutrition that could help your betta fish stay healthy and grow properly. Okay, so for example, here I use this mosquito larvae, and before that, it's important keep in mind to sterilize your live foods before giving it to your betta fish. Okay, after sterilize it, you can just give them directly in your fish tank. The second one is change the water routinely. Make sure with the proper temperature, proper pH levels, and low ammonium levels in the water, because any small changes in the water could impact their life, and they are very sensitive to any small changes in their environment. Okay, so for a small tank like this, you can change the water change the water 2 until 3 times a week. For a bigger tank, if you use a bigger tank like a 5-gallon tank, you can change the water once a week, or you can use a filter to make the water stay healthy, stay clean, and good for your betta fish. The next one is you can apply some Epsom salt, or this is magnesium sulfate. So the role of this Epsom salt is they will help the osmosis system inside your fish body runs well. So you can just apply directly in your tank like this, and just and stir it properly so that the Epsom salt could dilute it perfectly in the water. The third one is this magical leaves. This is catappa leaves, or you can use almond leaves. Most of betta keepers, betta lovers know these leaves, and this will help to neutralize the pH levels in the water and remove any poison that may occur in the water. You can use extracted fermented catappa, or you can just directly put it in the tank, and it will, and the water in the tank will turn yellow. Okay guys, the purpose of all of these 4 steps is to keep your betta fish away from being stressed, because with this condition they are very risky to get stressed. And make sure to give them high nutrition foods, and keep the tank always clean, change the water routinely, and your fish will be happy despite having this kind of disorder. So the key point to be remembered here is keep your betta fish away from being stressed. Always give them high nutrition foods to keep they stay healthy. Okay guys, so that's our discussion today, our short discussion today. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box, and don't forget to give the thumbs up. And thank you, and see you in the next video.